RT AX3000 Wi Fi 6 devices not connecting. Compatibility fix. First, open your web browser and navigate to your ASUS RT AX3000 router administration page. This is typically router.asus.com or 192.168.50.1. Enter your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, look for the wireless section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to expand the wireless options. Then select the General tab. This is where most of your basic Wi-Fi settings are located. In the Wireless General settings, scroll down to find options related to OFDMA or Wi-Fi 6. For compatibility with older devices that might struggle with the newer Wi-Fi 6 features, it's often helpful to disable OFDMA and any other explicit 802.11ax specific options you see. Some routers might have a toggle for target wake time or similar advanced Wi-Fi 6 features that can also be temporarily disabled. Still within the Wireless General settings, look for the 802.11ax/Wi-Fi 6 mode settings. If your older devices are having trouble connecting, try changing this setting. Instead of auto or enabled, you might select an option like legacy or disable 802.11ax. This will force the router to communicate using older Wi-Fi standards, improving compatibility.